So introducing this Urban Deca Homes condo unit. Sa 10,000 cash out, may condo unit ka na, 1 bedroom with balcony pa. So this is the bedroom 1 dress up unit. So pagkapasok mo, ito yung kitchen mo, ito yung iyong bathroom. And then dito sa bathroom mo, after dito is your living room. So pwedeng gawin mo ganitong inspiration yung dress up ng unit mo. Take note also na pwede mo rin tong gawin na staycation or Airbnb business. This is for your real estate investment. And very near to all the commercial establishment. Ito naman ang dress up unit para sa iyong 2 bedroom. So pagkapasok mo, ito yung kitchen and yung bathroom, and then ito yung living room, and you have your 2 bedroom para sa maliit lang na pamilya, kasyang kasya. Ito naman ang turnover unit para sa iyong 1 bedroom. Ito ay para sa lahat ng nangangarap na magkameron ng sariling bahay or condo unit this year 2025. Hindi mo na kailangang mangupahan dahil magkakameron ka na ng sarili mong bahay. Why rent if you can own this unit? Available through bank or Pag-ibig financing. Kumpletuhin mo lang ang requirements at tutulungan namin kayo magkameron ng sarili mong condo unit. Thank you so much for watching this video and inquire now. Hurry, cause few units left. Bye!